we are going to go over how to adjust tank lid pressure on a 1910 cart. Open the lid and allow it to rest on the tank in the unlocked position. If the top of the pin is not at the alignment notch, adjustment is required. To do so, loosen the top locking nuts, adjust the coupling nut as necessary so the top of the pin is at the alignment notch. Once the lid is adjusted, lock the top jam nuts, then close the lid and check for leakage with the lid locked. Adjustment throughout the season may be required with wide temperature ranges.